Good morning. Welcome back or welcome. Today we're headed off to the Etown Gambler.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
You already know, mandatory stop. No meatball sub this time. Now to the track. Best towing service around.
Anthony's towing out of Clifton, New Jersey. 973-778-7554.
Okay. Hey. How y'all doing? Just saying, best towing in town.
I'm about to go tow Jimmy off right now.
Jimmy just blew his dip apart.
It's beans.
Got no brakes.
Before we start watching The Gambler, I want to check out the car show. Car show is awesome. Meg car. Like sick. Got our seats. Best view in the house. Yeah.
Right, I got the best view in the house. Yeah.
We're in qualifying right now, and they are in this of trying to fix Jimmy's car. Hold on, let me get a better angle.
We're just waiting for the tires to hit the ground.
20 minutes later.
Jimmy's car is still in the air, and it looks like there is 5 more people added to the equation. Parking's bad.
Jimmy. And here we go. Jimmy Oaks taking his first qualifying lap here, round 3 of the Ridgeway Park Etown Gambler. Jimmy getting himself into outside zone number 1. He's got his rear wing flapping and waving at the fans. He knocks off that box off the checklist. Rotates out to outside zone number 2. Comes down the hill here, Ridgeway Park to outside zone number 3. Jimmy doing a good job. He rotates that front inside clip. Getting all the way out to outside zone number 4. Pull that up to the left. That box. He's still if he has, he does. Rotates back up to the left. Good job going through the deep corner. And that's our Jimmy doing down to that record. Back up.
Pit stop. Best drink. So good.
Dude, Rizzo can wheel.
Double fist and dogs on the casting couch should be illegal.
Get in there.
Obviously has all the horsepower.
I'm pretty drunk, not gonna lie. For more stickers.
What can I say? What can I say?
You should make that a shirt.
I don't know what to say, but what can I say? You know, come drift, the world's best drift team in New Jersey.
Not made for kids. Number 4.
Number 3.
Man, you gotta catch up.
Chris Meyer and Jimmy Oaks battling out for third place. The winner gets the money, the loser gets the show. Now third place comes around Arizona number 1. Jimmy's got a points group coming off his loss just now. Coming down the hill between 2 and 3. Chris Meyer not quite in Arizona number 3 where he should be. Jimmy Oaks falling back.
So you got Denofa or Root?
Root.
Root?
He won the last one, I think.
I got Denofa.
Nova initiates well before that last initiation point. Getting himself to outside one, but Bruce being lucky to that box. Back off just a be a mistake as he makes the jump too tight through outside 2. Genova doing what he can through our jump side. This is back into the outside 3. Bruce all back to the shower to go to that inside goal.
You were right.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Your boss. My boss, yeah.
And that was the Etown Gambler / Los Goonies American Steel Car Show. Amazing time. Bye guys! We'll be back tomorrow for more. Back at the shop, and before we get started on anything, we need to get Jimmy's out of the Sequoia.
Go on. We got Kai in the rig. Damn, she actually did pretty good. Keep going. Yeah, nice. That's good.
Big bitch. Yeah. No. No. Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to use your muscles.
Damn. He said I'm gonna have to use my muscles. Like I don't have any. It's crazy. See you later, guys. Okay. We are good. Best rig. Time to get this bitch out of here. Just kidding. We need to do an oil change. Ow. Felt like a scooter. It's underneath the hood. A 1J, 2J. Whoa! Gonna lift it, turbo it.
5W30. Too bad we only have 5W40.
First things first.
Thank you.
Dust shield is off. Oil's drained. Jordy's going in for the filter now. Look at that stance. Oh yeah, she's a pisser, all right.
8,000 miles since we got it. That's how many miles put on this car. Just for frame reference, 8,000 miles in 2 months.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now that the Sequoia has
Fresh blood in her.
we're gonna see if official drift button fits. Thanks, Joe.
It should be like any other car, I would assume.
I've never done this before.
I was like, whoa, that comes out?
I didn't know that.
May I see the button, please? You don't have to hold the top.
Oh.
And then when you need it to park. Nice. Buttons.
Well, that was easy.
But we gotta put the grip on first. I kind of forgot that. Nice. I'm throwing this out.
Okay. Bye.
Where are your keys at? Try to test this bitch out.
Let's go. Jordan drives my car like a race car.
It'll work. I'm still pulling it like there's a button on it. This thing is so sick now. That was so good.
It's an actual drift car now.
Damn, this thing kind of ripped for what reason? Right, more time.
Came in way too hot there.
Where?
At the entrance.
Can I do one more?
No!
Why?
Fine. Oh my god, don't kill the squirrel. Move, move, buddy. Good, 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 good. If he killed that squirrel, I would have been so upset. The car rips. Holy.
Let me see that clip. It felt cool driving it. Okay, this is unrelated to anything Kai related. This is Shop Jimmy O related. But restock, right? Cool. Jenny Adavsky said, "Did you get the gift?" And I didn't understand what the gift was, and it's definitely not meant for me or any of the boys. So maybe it's meant for Kai. But Kai,
What?
move the dinosaurs.
Is this a little boo-boo? Wait, I gotta...
Daddy, Kai needs air fresheners too.
So, I'm not a collector. Don't get me wrong. I love cute things. I have one in my car because my friend Cabby gifted it to me. But like I said, I love cute things. It's exciting.
Anyway, Jenny, thank you. We really appreciate it.
Thank you. I love you.
Kai, come on. Whoa, it looks like cotton candy.
Back to what I was saying. Before we end the video, we have a special treat. Definitely not a sneak peek, but kind of sneak peek to us because we're going to be the first ones to see it.
We already know what it is.
But we're going to see Anthony paint Jimmy's 180. Did I help prep? Did you dress for the occasion?
No, it's good.
Sailor time. This thing looks so sick, one color. Ooh, let me turn on the flash. Better. Going in.
Who's shooting up?
Refuse to make the same mistake I made last time, wearing Crocs and socks with Jordy's car. So I put some gloves on.
Crazy your foot is small enough to fit in a glove.
It's a large. Anthony's gonna let me jam this bitch.
1, 2, 3.
think you got it good now? She's yellow, all right.
We're here, still here. 8 o'clock, we don't rest.
Hurry up, get that pearl going. This is foreshadowing. I'm not letting you guys know what it's foreshadowing, but just keep this in mind.
I don't know what the you're talking about.
Now it is time for the final clear coat, which Anthony's doing by himself. Good luck. We believe in you. Ooh, she's shiny. God damn. She's clean. The pearl, so good.
You imagine dropping the foam on the paint job?
Don't say that.
That would be great. There you go. You can see it. Good job.
Finally, James has a car that have my face on it.
So that concludes this week's video. You guys know the drill. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you shop kaiquin.us.
I got shirts coming soon.
Keychains, lanyards, t-shirts, stickers. Go check it out. See you next time.